Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So this week has been a kind of lukewarm week so far, and there is a selling that is taking place. But at the same time, the good part is selling is taking place in Nifty, and banking index is kind of immune from this fall because as we can see, I have a weekly chart of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty in front of me. And on a weekly chart this week so far, Nifty corrected about 0.37%, that is 92 points, and Bank Nifty has not corrected, it is actually positive 300 points in this particular week. Probably the reversal or the bounce is taking place right now, and I'll tell you the rationale behind it. A little while ago I had posted messages stating that the second half of today can prove a kind of a reversal. So why I said that, and let us take a look at this. So let me change the indicator pattern, and this is where the corners RSI comes in. So we have a weekly chart right now, and if I change this to 4 hourly time frame, on 4 hourly time frame, Nifty was oversold, and Bank Nifty is irrelevant because it was never oversold, or it never made a new lower low. The beauty here in this particular chart is that Nifty is making a lower low, Nifty here is making a lower low, while Bank Nifty is making a higher low. So time and again I keep on saying that Bank Nifty is a leading index, or Bank Nifty is a better index to trade, which is in a way outperforming Nifty, is in a way proven by Bank Nifty so far. So what has happened, the low that was formed on a Monday, this low I'm talking about, low which was formed on a Monday, this was breached by Nifty, and I feel it's right now about 155, but I feel in another one and a half hour, by the time market closes, we should get to see a bullish candle here, which might close above the low of this candle. So the close should be above 24,882, right? If it is towards 24,900 or maybe higher than that, that is even better. But somehow we should close inside this low is what my expectation is. This is the general, or we can say mota moti analysis. If we go back on the individual chart of Nifty, so individual chart of Nifty last week, for a reason we had calculated a support zone at 24,800, which is where the price currently is, and from this 24,800 zone we should bounce, and we should bounce quickly towards 25,200 level. Now this range or this level is troubling traders, investors for a long time, but today's day was different because what has happened, structurally Nifty 500 as well as Nifty mid cap and small cap, all these indices, they have changed their structure for a shorter period of time, like daily Dow theory structure is changed. But if this reversal takes place right now, and in next one and a half hour till the market closes, and if we see considerable recovery, then this entire scenario might change. Monday onwards it will be a different game. Remember, this is a phase where quarterly results are announced, and during these results it obviously creates some kind of a volatility or whipsaws. So like Bajaj Finance was a very good result, and it is minus 5%, and it is recovering probably right now. But these kind of instances do take place, and we have to accept it. So don't bet on the result day, let that result day go, and don't be in a hurry to catch bottom or top. It is better that once it confirms the Dow theory, then it becomes easier for us to understand and align ourselves with the trend. If you remember last week, I had categorically mentioned that we will not be in a hurry to call this as a bottom and start trading it as a bottom. We will wait, preferably we'll wait for the market to settle, give us some kind of a confirmation, and then we'll look for better trades which are better on the risk to reward scale, right? It is not essential ideal that you should time the bottom only, and only then the trade is going to work out. Yes, for a educational or for the understanding purpose, you can time the bottom, but it is better not to trade them. Risk to reward has to be better as per the setup, and then and only then you look for the trades. So far Nifty update is something like, currently Nifty is very close to the range low, and from there it is recovering right now. So 4 hourly candle in a way doing justice to whatever analysis that we have. So 4 hourly oversold corners RSI will give a bounce, just like previous attempt at 4 hourly oversold zone, and from this divergence also we should get some kind of a bounce. Whether this bounce sustains or it just continues next leg of fall, we don't know as of now. Let the time confirm it to us, and with next couple of days till I think Monday, Tuesday, we'll have this clarity. I love these kind of days when there is a massive selling taking place, as long as we have conviction on our stocks, right? So we will be able to hold on to the stocks, or maybe in certain stocks we'll be able to add few quantities, few equity positions. And there's a 1 GM program, as I have mentioned about it, and in 1 GM program we are doing precisely this, identifying the sectors, then identifying the stocks on the basis of screeners that are provided in TradingView itself, and those screeners actually give you stocks. Every day it keeps on popping some 4 or 5 stocks, and out of that you just have to go through, scan through it, and again fine tune them for additional criteria, and then select a stock, decide your risk to reward ratio, and add them to your portfolio at a prescribed price. So you don't have to be glued to screen for the entire day, just have to be there, and the returns are going to be better just because we are selecting stocks which are in a way outperforming the entire market. This is how the outline of 1 GM program is. 1 GM program is going to be a 6-monthly program. So it's a 6-month program, online program. We'll have 24 seminars. Also, there will be 6 one-on-one sessions, 1 session every month for all the students, individual sessions, and that will help me understand the growth of each participant, and we can suggest some customized scenarios or some customized methods basis that particular participants understanding. So this is how I am going to take it forward, and once the program is over after 6 months, there will be a 6-month handholding on a WhatsApp group. So in total it will be 6 months plus 6 months, about 1 year program, which is where we can observe the stocks selected by us, how they are performing, right? And then that will give us a lot of confidence to invest actively in direct stocks, right? This is how I'm looking at it. If you are keen, if you are interested, do visit. I'm providing the link below in the description. Do visit the website. I'm sure you are going to love this program, and if you are interested, do enroll. As for Bank Nifty, if we take a look, Bank Nifty is one of the index which has fallen less out of these two indices. So apparently it is a stronger index, and this time around, if Bank Nifty starts moving in an upwardly manner, then very quickly it should take out the semi-annual pivot, which is 57,091. Once this level is taken out and price closes above this level for a daily close, please understand this, price closing above semi-annual pivot on a daily basis, daily closing basis, is far more important for the trend to remain in that direction. As long as we are below semi-annual pivot, it is always there is an ambiguity that we might see some more selling in the index. So index has to recover, come out of this zone and cross above the semi-annual pivot is what the expectation is. For Nifty, that semi-annual pivot is around 25,310. So it is still little far away, about 400 points from where Nifty is right now. For Bank Nifty, comparatively it is closer, about 400, 500 points from the current spot level. So Bank Nifty possibly should show quick recovery with respect to Nifty, and it should take out above this 57,091, which is SAP, and once we crosses above this, then very quickly I think the next target of 57,600 should be taken on. That is when the Dow theory changes, and again we'll continue the bullish trend, right? So this is how we have to look at it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye. you.